Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to mark all Gmail as read. So to start, please open your Gmail inbox and look at the search bar. In the search bar, type is unread or is:unread. So hit enter. This will display all your unread emails. So you'll notice a small checkbox at the top right above your emails here. So please click on it to select all the unread emails on the current page. Once you've selected the emails, a new option will appear at the top. It's the More button represented by 3 dots. Click on it. And then from the drop-down menu, click on Mark as Read. And that's it. All the selected emails will now be marked as read. So, congratulations, you've just learned how to efficiently mark all your Gmail emails as read. This simple trick can help you declutter your inbox and stay on top of your messages. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to mark all Gmail as read. With this technique, you can keep your inbox organized and ensure you're not missing any important emails. See you on my next video.